Thanks.
Yeah, and that was why I didn't post last week. I'm still a bit sick, but hi. As you can tell, I'm vlogging from a bathroom because my mom's in a room, in the next room, and I'm not that confident that I vlog next to her. So yeah, and you should see what I just built here to have the camera at my height. But I will take a picture and put it right here. Ooh. Anyway, I'm better now, mainly thanks to this. It's horrible, but it works like a charm. It really works. Even though it kind of made me switch from a flu to a sore throat. Like before I just had a runny nose, and now my voice is basically gone. My ears are just, and yeah. I never get sick all year. Like I get sick only once a year. Knock on wood. But when I do, it really knocks me out. Like on Sunday, which was the first day I was sick, I literally slept 24 hours. I came downstairs for 10 minutes and then went back to bed, and I don't think it would ever be possible, but I started to hate my bed. Like really, really hate it. And I just had no idea how to sleep. Just, ugh. And basically this time I got sick because, the week before my dad was sick and I was the only one around like to bring him stuff and take care of him. And close contact, basically he infected me. And now that my mom is back from Germany, guess who is gonna infect her? Huh? I'm just randomly coughing and sneezing all day. It's very fun. Anyway, I really don't have anything to say. Besides that, tomorrow I'm going to do some Christmas shopping. And yeah, I have about 6 presents to get and €100 to spend on them. So wish me luck. And yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.